Hij is even de bal kwijt en dan krijgt hij hem terug.
Ronaldo, he's onside. He's beaten the defence. He draws Valdez. Cristiano Ronaldo with a platinum touch. And is that the goal? But not just silences the counter, but silences Barcelona's chances.
Juega rápido, Badbull para Messi, va a arrancar Messi con Xavi Alonso, balón para Xavi. Xavi levanta la pelota para Messi. Messi dentro del área, controla Messi, chuta Messi. Gol, 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 gol.
Benzema turns. Ronaldo! He's done it again. He always inside him. Rodriguez. Messi. Adriano. Oh, there's the winner. And again it's who? Lionel Messi. Two well-matched teams, but maybe one little genius. 67 minutes. But here, wait a minute, it's Ronaldo. Must score, does score. And the window of opportunity is open. It's taken a long, long time, too long, for Real Madrid to make their breakthrough tonight. Dani, اعبرت ووصلت وخلت وكان الهدف الثاني لمصلحة برشلونة. To Benzema, back to Ronaldo! Wouldn't you know it, Rob? Wouldn't you know it? Should have been 2-0. 4 minutes. Added on by the officials. Lots of time for an equaliser for Barcelona. That's what Lionel Messi has in mind. Messi takes everybody on. Messi has got it! Freed himself from his defensive shackles. Gareth Bale is having an impact on the game. Ronaldo is patient. Brilliant from Cristiano Ronaldo! 10-man Real Madrid against the odds. Take the lead. Who else but Chris? Messi checks it down to Piqué. Back to Lionel Messi. Yes! 2-1. Barcelona. Messi's at it again. A delightful dink.
I've been critical of Gerard Piqué's performance so far in the game tonight, but the last few minutes.
Slots it through, and here's Ronaldo with a headed one. The Whites want this. Cutting it back.
Look out!
Piqué plays it off. Shot through the legs to Piqué. Bullseye!
Simply magnificent from Cristiano, and beautifully set up by the coach. Spring him over the top, and here you see Boston.
Inside, it's Messi.
A masterpiece from Messi. Wonderful goal by Lionel Messi over the wall, and it seems that nobody in the wall was jumping there. Marcelo, that great cross and a goal! Cristiano Ronaldo! A magnificent header! Real Madrid with a breakthrough! What a big goal that could turn out to be! It's Messi's free kick. Oh, it's a brilliant little Messi goal! Now that is another twist and turn. Piqué, oh, he's lost the ball. Big chance for a second here. Cristiano Ronaldo takes his time, still
wonderful. How